Welcome to the KAFA Beta 2 DSP Pro Machining Guide series. In this lesson, we'll learn how to export parameters, a safety measure used to store your machine settings on a USB flash drive. This function helps you save all your parameter configurations externally, making recovery easy in case of software or hardware failure.
This operation is used to export parameters to a USB flash disk in case of the software or hardware failure. To export parameters, do the following. To enter the menu interface, press Menu. To enter the interface of parameter maintenance, select 6, Param Upkeep by pressing Down, Up, and press OK. Select 4, Export Parameters by pressing Down, Up, and press OK. OK. Press OK. And press OK.